Buddy, it's the Hungry Piney. On today's show, some like it hot coconut French toast with fresh fruit. So stay tuned. It's going to be a hot one. It's just the Hungry Piney saying, hey, you can make this for your kids too. Just leave out the hot peppers. There's many different combinations you can use. You can actually even put nuts on here, walnuts or almonds, whatever you like. But don't be scared to make it for the kids. That's some good eatins. I prepared the shredded coconut with some cinnamon, mixed it in there. And there goes the hot pepper. Put as much as you want. Then we're just going to mix it up. Make our French toast. Scrambled up some eggs, add a little bit of pure vanilla extract. You don't want to use the fake stuff, go for the pure. And what I'm going to do is dip my Texas toast in the bread, into the coconut mixture, onto the grill. Some like a hot coconut French toast. Heidi ho! Some like a hot coconut French toast. Even made one without the hot pepper. You can use it if you want, and if you don't use it. What I like to do is sprinkle a little bit more of the cinnamon on top and plate it up. Which basically there you have it. But what I like to do, throw a little bit of fruit on top. Then you take your pure maple syrup, drizzle that on there. And there you have it. Some like a hot coconut French toast, the Hungry Piney. That's some good eatins. Till next time. Without a doubt, definitely some good eatins. I'm the Hungry Piney. Till next time.